What a shame that the police decided to behave this way today. How can they frustrate Mama in life and even in death? We had written to the police yesterday, also the letter on social media, and told them we want to just go and celebrate the life of our mother from Nyamitiobola. Every day when NRM politicians die, you see they use public places to hold their functions, and there's never a complaint. How can we lose a person who has served Uganda in so many positions? Before we met Mama Jolly, those of you who have read her profile, she served at the district. She did so much work for this country. And it's a shame that at this hour, police can decide to do that. Therefore, I want to appreciate very, very much the owner of this home, the neighbor of Mama Jolly, who has accepted to host us for this function. We really want to appreciate you, sir. Thank you very much. When we came really looking for a way out, as soon as we told him, he said, no, let's come and do our function here. And so we are thankful to this family. But it is a shame, and you can see what that means for our nation, that a deputy president, she has been the vice chairperson of the National Consultative Forum of the Electoral Commission. And she dies, and the police refuses us to mourn her from a place of our choice. What kind of country is this we are living in? And when I talked to the RPC, shamelessly he said, you go to the IGP. He's the one who can clear you to have that function. You can imagine that they had instruction from the RDC, from whoever. It is a shame. This is a lady they have been going with to radio stations to talk. So if they are so afraid, how can they? Really, it baffled me, and it is a shame. But maybe that is why we sing about a new Uganda, which we will go into, and we'll put all this misery behind us. Yeah, I wanted also to appreciate Mama for, you know, it is very difficult here in Western Uganda for someone to give you their building to use as an office. When we came to Mbarara, we tried to look for offices in many places, and people were scared to host NUP. Mama quickly said, but I have a building on Makansing Street. Let us go and have the NUP office there. And that is where our office is, on Makansing Street. So you can see she availed everything. The last time I personally met her alive, although she was not feeling very well, we had a meeting here at her home. So even her home, she availed it to the party to use whenever we came and we wanted to do any work. We always had our meetings here at her home to strategize and to talk about the Uganda we want to have. So we appreciate her, we salute her. Comrade Katana spoke really about many of the things I wanted to talk about. You know what it means? Some people, because they are motivated by money, they think that every other person is motivated by money. So when they see you in NUP, they assume that you are there. They start asking, how can you who had all these opportunities be in NUP? They do not know that some people are moved by values, by more important things. When Mama was approached by General Museveni and all, she used to tell us, and they were offering her so many things. She refused. She could easily have gone and she would have been a minister if she wanted. Because General Museveni and his regime had abandoned her. But the moment we unveiled her as our deputy president, they started calling her. They started calling her, and I remember in one of the conversations, she said, people abandoned me, now I have a new home. So they tried to, you know, as they know, they are users. So if they realize that you no longer have value to them, they abandon you. When they realize that you're now in NUP, they come for you. If she wanted, should have been a minister, should have been anything. But she was moved by her conviction that Uganda deserved better. That Uganda deserved a better life. That the people of Uganda deserved better. So it is a very, very big loss to us as the National Unity Platform. She's a very, very senior leader in our party, the second in the rank of our party. because after the president, you go to the deputy presidents. So it is such a loss, comrades, ladies and gentlemen. We pray that God will give us the strength, and we pray that God will pave a way. It is God who gave us Mama Jole, and we believe that it is God who has taken her away, and we believe that God has a plan.